Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Wix website look professional. First, select a clean, modern template that truly reflects your brand's identity. Consistency is key. Ensure your logo, color palette, and typography are uniform across all pages. Always use high-resolution images and engaging videos to capture attention. Finally, optimize your site for mobile devices, as over 50% of web traffic comes from smartphones. Next, focus on your content and user experience. Craft clear, concise, and error-free text that communicates your message effectively. Design an intuitive navigation menu, making it easy for visitors to find information within 3 clicks. Include compelling calls to action, guiding users toward desired outcomes. Aim for page load times under 3 seconds to prevent visitors from leaving. For a truly professional look, pay close attention to visual cohesion and branding. Stick to a consistent color scheme, typically 2 or 3 primary colors, throughout your site. Select 2 complementary fonts, one for headings and another for body text. Effectively use white space to enhance readability and draw attention to key elements. Always optimize images for the web, ensuring fast loading without sacrificing visual quality. To elevate your Wix site further, integrate essential apps and features that add value. Implement basic search engine optimization settings to improve your visibility on search results pages. Connect a custom domain name, which instantly adds a layer of professionalism. Remember to regularly update and review your website's content and design, ensuring it remains fresh and relevant for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.